Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Online Also channel. So in this channel I make videos around affiliate marketing, blogging, and everything that has to do with making money online. I share them in my YouTube channel. So if it is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new uploads. And also want to use this opportunity to appreciate my returning subscribers. You guys are too much. Thank you for always coming back to my channel to consume my content. So in this video today, I'll be showing you 5 ways that you can actually make money online. So 5 top make money online strategies. So that is what I'm going to share with you guys. So as you can see that on my screen, so there are quick ways that you can actually make money online that are not too rampant, or many people are not known to it, or it has not been known to so many people, and a lot of people have been making a lot of money using those strategies or those make money online strategies. So I will be showing you 5 top make money online strategies that you are going to use in 2023 and be making money online. So let's go to my slide. As you can see, the number 1 making money online is blogging. You see, a blog is an information website published on the World Wide Web consisting of information, video content, often formally diary style text entry. You see, a blogging is just a web page built or designed by you or a web developer that you can publish content or videos or make a diary or profile, and this blog that you build can be monetized. You can monetize your blog with Google AdSense. You can monetize your blog with affiliate links. You can monetize your blog company or brand contacting you for a sponsored content or to advertise on your blog. So blog is another cool make money online strategies that every young person must go into. It is not something that will break your bank. All you need to do, pick an inch. Then when you pick an inch, get a domain hosting and you design your blog and you begin to write content on your blog, and you can do this kind of business right from the comfort of your home, and you are sure of making at least $1,000 every month. So my number 1 recommendation or top make money online strategy that I will recommend to you is blogging. So get started, host a blog, get a domain and hosting, and begin to blog. Very quick and sharp, and you are capable of making at least $1,000 every month if you are doing things right. So my number 1 recommendation is blogging. So let's look at number 2. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement in which affiliates receive a commission for each visit, sign up, or sales they generate for a merchandise. Or you can simply say affiliate marketing is a process of promoting other people's products at the end, earning a commission. So affiliate marketing is what everybody can do, but if you want to actually rock more money with affiliate marketing, you are definitely going to need a blog, because when you have your blog, it's going to help you to make more money with affiliate marketing. However, a lot of people are still making money with affiliate marketing using their WhatsApp, but I recommend you have a blog if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing. So my number 2 top make money online strategies that I recommend to you is affiliate marketing. There are so many affiliate platforms in Nigeria. We have Expertnear, we have Stakehold, we have Digistar, we have so many of them. So you can look out on the best affiliate platform, then sign up and get started. If you want to also try WordPlus, JVZoo, and ClickBank, you can also try those ones out. So I recommend affiliate marketing as one of the top make money online strategies. So number 3 is flipping website. It is not common to most people, but a lot of people are making a lot of thousands of dollars from this. Flipping website is the business of just buying and selling website for a profit. You can create a website or blog, then offer it for sale, or you can buy an existing website or blog, improve it, then resell. A lot of people are making a lot of money from this. I know a friend of mine on Facebook who said his plan for the year is to build 200 websites and resell them. And he said sometimes he sell one of those websites for $5,000, $3,000, and it's a huge amount of money just building and reselling website. So you can do this kind of online business. You don't need to spend much. Get a domain, get a hosting, build a website, develop that website to extent. Then you flip that website on flipping website and sell them and make huge profit. So my number 3 recommendation for making money online strategies is flipping website. So build a website and sell them, resell them. That is what a lot of people are doing online today. They build websites and resell them, and you too can do this particular stuff. So Google it and find a website that are buying website where you can list your website or blog for resale, or you can just simply go to your Facebook, make the post, you have a website or blog for sale. You see people rushing you to buy that particular website. So that is my number 3 recommendation. Then my number 4 recommendation is direct selling. Direct selling. If you have your own product or service to sell, then direct selling is a good way to sell it. This way you get to keep most of the profit for yourself. Direct selling is a process whereby you sell your own product, and when you sell this product, you know you are going to keep all the profit, all the money to yourself. And this product that you are selling, you can use organic traffic or you can use paid traffic. But to make more money from selling your own particular product, I recommend you use paid traffic. That is using Facebook ad or Google ad. With this, you'll be able to generate more sales and make more profit. So that is direct selling. These are top make money online strategies that you should learn or go into and begin to make at least $1,000 every month. So my number 51 is freelancing. Freelancing, it is not a new thing to us. As you can see on my screen, it is not a new thing to us. There are so freelancing websites. We have Fiverr, we have Upwork, we have freelancing websites. We have so many of them. These are the platform that you can showcase your skill and make money from it. If you are writing, if you are a content writer, you see, or you have the spirit or you have the ability of writing article is what you should not just take for granted, because there are a lot of people who need content writer. So if you can write very well, I will encourage you to go to freelancing website, list your gig, and you see people earning you. And you can also go to Facebook, showcase what you do, that you're a content writer, and you see people coming to you to write content for them, and you're making a lot of money. So freelancing, if writing article is your thing, then freelancing writing is a very good fit for you. Blogs and websites are always looking for fresh content. More often than not, the owner of those sites are too busy to write their own articles, so they outsource you. This is where you come as a freelancing writer. Often you're writing service to them for a fee. So that is the cool thing. You offer your writing service to them and you make money doing that. Sometimes I do content writing for people and people pay me for doing that, and you too as a person, you can do this, offer this service to people. People earn you and they pay you for it. And you can write 500 words for $500. You can write 500 words for $200. You can write 500 words for $300, and so on and so forth, if you are good in this stuff. So if you know how to write content, there are people outside, website owner, blog owner, looking for content writer who will create content for them. You should look out on those people, and they hire you and you do their work, you show them example, and they pay you for your service. So I am sure that if you are a content writer, or writing is part of what you love doing every day, so go to Fiverr or freelancing website to showcase your skill, and you see people paying you for doing that or paying you for doing that. I am sure, guys, that this top 5 make money online strategies was able to help you to pick something and get started doing. This is a new year, the year is still fresh. This is April. You can still get something doing, and if you can pick any of these 5 top make money online strategies I just showed you or teach you here, I am sure if you pick any of it, you'll be able to make at least $1,000 upward before the year runs out. So guys, if you enjoy this content that I just shared with you, don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So once I make videos like this, YouTube will first notify you of my new upload. So guys, see you again in my next video and have a good moment. Bye bye.